Hi, this is Paul Villa with the Proteus Academy, and today is 2-Minute Tuesday. And today I wanted to talk to you about how to structure your advantages, your contentions, more effectively using the bottom-up model. So, when I talk about the bottom-up model, what am I referring to? First and foremost, it's important to note that in general, contentions have four parts. We have a longer video, which I will link in the description and potentially in an annotation, that talks about advantage structure. That structure largely comes with four parts. The first being the uniqueness, which is a description of the world before the plan happens, before the AF does its thing. The link, which is a description of what the AF does. The internal link, which is what happens after that. And the impact, which is the measurable consequence of that action, of that internal link. When we talk about the bottom-up model, what we're really referring to is writing advantages, writing contentions, with your impact as the prior consideration to everything else. Ultimately, what we're looking to do is have a debate in which we're as strategic as possible. And what that means is identifying the outcomes you want that will win you the debate. We've also talked about this in our long-form video essay, The Human Condition and Debate, and the win-by-one model, where we describe that impacts fundamentally are all that debate is about, which means having the correct impact, having an impact that stands on its own and is sufficient to win a debate with, is the most important thing you could possibly have. The last bit of advice I have for you in terms of structuring from the bottom up is to remember, you want one big stick sort of decision rule impact and another impact that is more probable. One that is intrinsic to the resolution, i.e. something only the AF could cause, and one that is a preemption of the other team. We'll be going into more depth about the strategy of building cases in general, but that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoy this 2-Minute Tuesday, and thanks for checking out the channel.